Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video, how to make a hit rap song. Alright, tip number 1, find your wave. Look, try different styles of rapping, try different styles of singing, try different stuff. You'll find your wave. Once you find your wave, you're gonna get some confidence in yourself. Second tip, to make a hit song, a hit rap song, you gotta make something you'll remember. Back in the day, I was okay. There was no way. Back in the day, I was okay. There was no way. Back in the day, there was no way. I was okay. Like something catchy like that, where people can sing it or rap to it with you. People want to hear something catchy. So do you. Third tip, embrace your sound. Look, I love the way I rap. This is the way I speak. This is the way I speak. Embrace your way of rapping. Embrace your style. Embrace your singing. Embrace your style. I get my style from Kanye West, from Logic, to Jack Harlow, to Drake, to Lil Wayne slurring on the rhymes. All of them are mixed up in me because I hear them. Oh, that's how you make 5 words in 1 sentence. I study everyone's how they rap. Third tip. Well, that was the third tip. Embrace your sound. Alright, those are the 3 tips on how to make a hit rap song. Find your wave. Make a song you'll remember. Make a line you'll remember. And embrace your sound. Find your wave. Make a song you remember. And embrace your sound. Alright, okay. Let me restart the song real quick. This song is Jack Harlow's Walk in the Park type beat in June 2023. Heard that Mario sound in the background, whatever that was. Here we go. Frustrated, I am for this. My name, so glamorous. Love being Latino. Spanish chicks, you're mean to people. My new ick. I'm the only rapper that can make this sound. Sound so sick, get tricked. Taking my kindness as weakness. Let it be, you'll see. It is what it is, you get what you give. This life that I'm living, ayy, yeah. 2 girls love me, play, yeah. This beat's bumping, danger. My name's Ethan, gonna freestyle off of this. I wrote that down, I got confidence, I got potential in my sound. I'm not afraid to fall back down. I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna show up. I'm not the best yet, but I'm gonna glow up. Yes, I will. I'm one of the best rappers right now. Why? Because I try. I don't let myself hold back. I don't hold myself back. Speaking from the heart, speaking from the soul, speaking from my mind. I'm gonna make it to the top. Never look back, look forward. I'm on my own track. Your music's whack. I have heart in it. I got confidence. I got potential. I got energy. This life that I'm living. Hey, yeah. 2 girls love me. Play, yeah. This music's bumping. Hey, yeah. This music's bumping. Danger. Alright, guys. That was the 3 tips on how to make a hit rap song. Find your wave. Make a line you remember. And embrace your sound. Hey, like the video. The whole world needs to see this video. It's gonna change their lives. Don't you wanna? You have the power to change someone's life. We need to change their life. They could be really sad right now. We don't know what situation they are in their life right now. Hey, like the video so it could show up on the YouTube feed, and they're gonna be like, oh shoot. Hey, thanks to the Ethan subscriber for liking the video. I'm happy. I'm not so depressed. So you can change lives. Like the video, it'll get recommended to other people across the world, and this channel is gonna grow. We're all winners on this channel. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Man, this channel is one of the best channels on YouTube, and you get to be with me here in the beginning. Like and subscribe. Ethan Esquivel is out for today.